All right, welcome to the session on regularization and simple dense neural networks. What we will do now is we're gonna use our IMDb dataset and add Dropout. So it's not too difficult. So let's go to our file, simple dense neural network. Let's make a copy and open the file. Here we go. Let's change the title. So in this case, we will use Dropout. Here we go. Dropout is also fairly simple to add. So basically, you add a dropout layer. Let me paste one here, and you give it the dropout value. We can do the same here on the second layer, again with dropout 0.5. And all the rest, of course, will remain the same. So let us run all. All right, we have the results here. So your lowest validation loss will be around 6. So we do exactly the same here, but we add these two dropout layers. And the number of epochs in this case is 6. So let's run this. Should be done fairly quickly, only 6 epochs. Here we go, 4, 5, 6, and then let's print the results here. It's 88.6. Something we can try as well is to change the dropout factor, maybe to 0.2, which is more the lower end. So let's run this. Here we go. Model fit. All right, here we see the optimal value for validation loss is around 5 epochs. So we're gonna change here dropout to 0.2. And here epochs is gonna be 5. So let's run this. 5 epochs. Here we go, we're done. And let's print the results. 88.2. So it's actually a little bit lower. So we stick to dropout 0.5 and we take note of the result.